Hi, the title of this presentation is Indian Numerology, Knowledge and Vision in Vedic Number Analysis. Indian numerology uses numbers to explain and understand human behavior. It studies the influence of the planets on a person's life and personality. Moreover, Indian numerology also considers the influence of celestial bodies on the evolution of mankind and on the conduct of humans. In fact, advocates believe that the planets affect everything in the material world. So according to Indian numerology, we are here on Earth to learn the lessons predestined by the karma we accumulated in our past lives. Even the time, date, and place of our birth have significance because we were formed specifically to learn and grow before advancing to the next level. 3 relevant numbers. In Indian numerology, 3 numbers are relevant: the psychic number, the destiny number, and the name number. The psychic number reveals the way you look at yourself. It defines the essential character and the person you want to be. So, moreover, it symbolizes your basic talents and tendencies that lead you to behave in a particular way. The psychic number for Indian numerology is calculated by looking at the day of the month on which you were born. If the number is composed of 2 digits, these digits are added so you get a single-digit number. For instance, if you were born on February 18th, your psychic number is 9, 1 plus 8. The destiny number indicates how the world views you. This number is related to the vibration patterns or samskaras which you acquired by your past actions or karma. In Indian numerology, this number also represents the person that others see when they look at you, especially when they don't know you well. The psychic and destiny numbers are dominant throughout your life. However, within Indian numerology, the psychic number's influence recedes and the destiny number becomes more significant between the ages of 35 and 40. So to calculate your destiny number, add the date, month, and year of birth until you get a single number. So if, for example, your birth date is February the 18th, 1982, your destiny number is 4. The Indian numerology name number is the most important number to consider when it comes to your relationships with people. It's possible that you have more than one name number if people address you using different names. If you want to enhance the qualities of both your psychic and destiny numbers or avoid conflict between them, you can change your name. So, the numbers 1 to 9 in Indian numerology represent the 7 celestial bodies plus the nodes of the moon, Rahu and Ketu. In Indian numerology, all the numbers are reduced to a single digit except for 11 and 22, the master numbers. People whose numbers are master numbers are said to have great charisma, energy, and effect on the world, according to Indian numerology. However, the same qualities make them desolate and misunderstood, and oftentimes these people are viewed as overbearing and egocentric. Now, I have a description of each number for you and a table that you can look at that corresponds to them. And you can see this in the transcript for this discussion at my website 123numerologysecrets.com. And you can also obtain there a free report entitled Magic Numbers Reveal Your Destiny, which indeed is a very fascinating and revealing report. You can get this and also look at the table by going to the link below and heading over to 123numerologysecrets.com. But in brief, number 1s will enjoy great success with the people around them. They will be rewarded with positive reinforcement throughout their existence, and 1 is associated with the sun. 2 is a messenger of universal truth and healing to others, and they will share discernment and guidance, and 2 is associated with moon. 3 is a person who will inspire others through their grand vision, and they will help society using creative means. And 3 is associated with Jupiter. 4 will change the existing conditions and will take a new and different approach to creating new realities, and 4 is associated with Rahu. 5 will have the gift of communications, and they will transform what is dull and ordinary into something elegant and refined. And 5 is associated with Mercury. 6 is kind and encouraging, and they have the gift for creating comforting environments. And 6 is associated with, not surprisingly, Venus. 7 is philosophical and meditative, and they will contribute to the world with their reflections. And 7 is associated with Ketu. 8 is someone who will impart great changes in the world. They will enjoy great renown and wealth. And 8 is associated with Saturn. 9 is a hard worker, and they will never surrender, and they will love without qualifications. And 9 is associated with Mars. Now, as we see, linking the number not only with the associated meanings, but also with the planetary body from astrology, means that Indian numerology can yield a depth of extra meaning, not commonly found in conventional systems of number divination. And in conclusion, Indian numerology gives you a way to understand yourself better. Study your numbers and use what you learn to reach your full potential and destiny.